The video introduces a bright and inviting kitchen setting to establish a positive and accessible atmosphere. An energetic host is presented to engage the audience and convey enthusiasm for healthy eating. The video aims to demonstrate that healthy eating can be both easy and delicious. The screen displays the title, Easy, Delicious Healthy Recipes. The words easy and delicious are emphasized with a slightly larger font size and a brighter color. An animated transition effect makes the text appear gradually, drawing the viewer's attention. A montage showcases a variety of vibrant, healthy dishes. The dishes highlight the diversity and appeal of healthy recipes. The montage teases the upcoming recipes, creating anticipation. The quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl recipe is highlighted for its versatility. The recipe's ease of preparation makes it an accessible meal option. The bowl combines grains and vegetables for a balanced nutritional profile. The recipe includes quinoa, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers as key ingredients. Protein sources for the recipe can be chicken or garbanzo beans. Olive oil and various spices are essential for flavor enhancement. Quinoa is cooked by simmering it in water until the grains absorb the liquid and become translucent. A typical quinoa cooking ratio is 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa. Cooking quinoa on the stove usually takes about 15 minutes. Fresh vegetables are prepared for roasting. Chopping vegetables into uniform sizes ensures even cooking during roasting. Prepared vegetables are ready for seasoning and roasting. Roasting vegetables in an oven enhances their natural colors and releases aromatic compounds. The high heat of the oven causes Maillard reaction and caramelization, developing complex flavors. Even distribution of heat ensures uniform cooking and prevents burning. The quinoa bowl is assembled by layering quinoa, roasted vegetables, and a protein source. The layering process ensures a balanced distribution of ingredients in each serving. This assembly method allows for customizable portion control and nutritional balance. The quinoa bowl is visually appealing, showcasing its colorful and nutritious ingredients. The presentation emphasizes the bowl's health benefits and balanced composition. The final presentation is designed to highlight the dish's aesthetic and nutritional value. Preparing vegetables in advance can significantly reduce overall cooking time. Pre-cut vegetables offer convenience and streamline the cooking process. Advanced preparation optimizes kitchen workflow and enhances cooking efficiency. The scene introduces a recipe for avocado chocolate mousse, highlighting its appeal as a guilt-free dessert. Avocado chocolate mousse offers a healthier alternative to traditional desserts without sacrificing taste. The recipe emphasizes the use of natural ingredients to create a decadent yet nutritious treat. The recipe requires fresh avocado, cacao powder, a natural sweetener, and vanilla extract or plant-based milk. Avocado provides a creamy texture, while cacao powder contributes a rich chocolate flavor. Natural sweeteners enhance the taste, and vanilla extract or plant-based milk add depth and moisture. The blending process combines ingredients to achieve a smooth and creamy texture. A blender facilitates the rapid mixing and emulsification of various components. The resulting mixture exhibits a uniform consistency due to the blending action. The prepared mousse is transferred into individual serving containers. Pouring the mousse into small glasses allows for portion control and individual presentation. Ramekins or small glasses are ideal vessels for setting and serving mousse. The finished mousse is presented to showcase its rich and decadent appearance. Decorative touches enhance the mousse's visual appeal, emphasizing its luxurious quality. The presentation aims to highlight the mousse's texture and the harmonious blend of flavors. The text overlay emphasizes the unexpected ingredient, avocado. The overlay serves as a surprising reveal, challenging preconceived notions about the recipe's flavor profile. The unexpected inclusion of avocado enhances the recipe's nutritional value and texture. The green tropical smoothie is presented as a nutritious and energizing recipe. The smoothie combines various fruits and greens to provide a balanced nutritional profile. This recipe offers a convenient and delicious way to boost energy levels and overall health. Spinach provides essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to the nutritional value of the recipe. Frozen banana adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the recipe. Pineapple contributes enzymes and a tropical flavor profile to the recipe. A blender is used to combine ingredients into a smoothie. The blending process creates a vibrant green color. Smoothie blending is a mechanical process. Smoothie is being poured into a glass. The action of pouring transfers the smoothie from one container to another. The glass now contains the complete smoothie. The finished smoothie is presented to highlight its refreshing qualities. Garnishes are added to the smoothie to enhance its visual appeal. The overall presentation emphasizes the smoothie's healthy and appealing nature. Adding protein powder enhances the nutritional value of the recipe. Protein powder supplementation provides an extra boost to the recipe's protein content. The addition of protein powder increases the recipe's potential benefits. The recipes presented emphasize the simplicity and flavor of healthy eating. Healthy eating can be easily incorporated into daily routines with accessible recipes. The demonstrated recipes showcase the deliciousness achievable through healthy ingredients and cooking methods. Viewers are encouraged to engage with the content by liking the video. Subscribing to the channel ensures viewers receive future content updates. Leaving a comment fosters community interaction and provides valuable feedback.